Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Rahim, back again with another great amazing tech video. The video of today, it's all about the Porodo gaming speaker. As far as you guys know who have been catching up on the channel, we have been reviewing a lot of Porodo products which are really kind of great. And to be honest, on this kind of Porodo product today, we are unveiling something which is so spectacular. This is a speaker and it's really kind of captured me at first glance. Now, for further talking or further ado, let's get started on this video today. Whoa, as you can see guys here directly on the box, this is a Porodo gaming speaker. Now it rocks 10 watts and it's really kind of great. It's not quite bad. 10 watts, you may be saying it's smaller, but for gaming it's really kind of decent. And what it captured mostly is the RGB light cycles. So it has some RGB light cycles here, which it's really kind of robust and it's really kind of great. So for further ado, let us just unbox this kind of speaker and see what's packed inside. So guys, right now we're gonna unbox it and see what's packed inside. And out of it we are getting a gridded speaker with that kind of paperwork there. You can see what it states here. Seeing the speaker, nice at first glance. Keep the speakers aside first, and what's inside? There's nothing else inside. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see here from the paperwork, what it states, it's all about how much the speaker is going to be set up. So this one is upside down, so it's supposed to be this way. We're going to follow up the speaker setup directly throughout the installation paper, and at the back there's nothing on the installation paper. At the back, let's see the wires which they have. They are actually using the jack and the USB type A, so it's really kind of greatness throughout this kind of speaker. And let's see how if you can connect here on the machine and see how much it can perform. Power it on. Whoa, that's dope. Check out that kind of RGB, how it breathes out and breathes in, because it's changing throughout RGB. Another kind of downside, you cannot control this kind of RGB. That's the kind of downside of these speakers. I wish there could be a button which you can switch on. Okay, now I'm gonna just try and play some music, or try and see if we are having it connected. Okay guys, right now you cannot see me, but I'm gonna test out how much the sound is gonna pick up throughout the microphone directly. So check this out. First of all, I'm gonna use just the normal Windows adjustment of the volume. So I'm gonna start with 0, 10, 21, 34, 50, 60, 70, 87, 100. Whoa, that's quite not bad. It's really kind of impressive. Now let's test out some music and see how much they are playing. See how much they can just groove on that kind of speaker right now. So guys, that's 30% of music volume. Now I'm gonna increase up to 100. That's 50. So guys, somewhere here there's like a touch button which turns on the LED and turns off the LED. You can see directly when you touch somewhere here, it turns on the LED. Here it turns off the LED. So guys, at the back there's actually nothing. I thought that there'll be like a holder which you can hold them on the wall, but there's none anything here throughout this kind of speaker. But that's okay, because you just keep them on your table resting, and yeah, that's what's up. I find them, it's quite decent, but they could just keep up perhaps the hole somewhere here whereby you can just keep them on the hook and they stay on the wall. It would be something which is so great. Okay guys, that's what's up. I hope you enjoyed on this kind of great and amazing review of the Porodo gaming speaker. It's really kind of great speaker. We have seen the downside out of it. It's quite not bad. It's really kind of great, but don't keep the volume at 100%, because if you push it at 100%, what will happen is all about you get so much kind of stuttering, or that kind of glitchy sound, or the bass is like or the speaker wants to break or something like that, don't just push it to 100%. Just try keeping it minimal. And if you're using VLC, that is like a speaker killer, don't turn on up to more than 100%, because VLC player has more than 100% of volume control. So don't use that kind of software on this kind of speaker, because you're gonna destroy the speakers and they won't be sounding good again like how they were. So that's what's up. I hope you enjoyed on this kind of great and amazing review. And another kind of stuff, it's all about the RGB. Now some of you guys may be saying, how can you control? Well, there is no controlling of the RGB. There's only turning it on the lights and turn off the lights. If you'd like to turn on the lights, it's okay, but if you won't like to turn on the lights, that's okay. Another kind of stuff which is so great about this kind of speaker is the form factor it's made. I really go throughout Porodo products. They're really pushing it throughout greatness throughout their products, and the way they made the form factor of this kind of Porodo gaming speaker, it's really robust, and the way you see it, it's really professional looking. It's not like you say, okay, this is a cheap speaker. This is not a cheap speaker. This is a budget and epic and professional looking speaker for your kind of setup of gaming, or not even gaming, even your music, but just know that it's having a speaker power of 10 watts. That's what's up. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed on this kind of great and amazing review. I'll be seeing your smiley faces on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative. And if you didn't check out the fan of Porodo, which is really kind of great, and I've been using it here on the studio and it's really kind of perfect, all the links are here up. You can click this card and it will take you definitely to that video. And I'll be seeing your smiley faces on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative, and kudos guys. Peace.